Now let's say, hypothetically, you threw a party. Your house is trashed. There's LaCroix all over the fucking floor because some dumbass shotgun half of one and threw it across the room. Now let's also say that you accidentally spent this week's gas money on a bottle of vodka and need to cut $10 out of your food budget for the week. And you also just so happen to have half a shallot, 3 cloves of garlic, hella mushrooms, a jar of marinara sauce, and some soy milk.
Well, kiddos, I have the recipe for you, bitch. Oh, they taste like shit. What's up, whackers? So today, hopping into the fine land of Italy, we're gonna be making some pasta with this in it. We're gonna be making pasta with this in it. Vodka sauce. Vegan vodka sauce. We're going to be making penne with vegan vodka sauce and mushroom. So as you heard in the beginning of this video, there's wine on the fucking cutting board. So as you heard in the beginning of the video, all of your ingredients here that I'm going to be too drunk to list, but you can find everything including this recipe that I'm about to make in the description down below. Motherfucker. Alright, so first off, gamers, you're gonna start off by, you're gonna boil water. You're gonna boil your water in your pan. You're gonna take your pan, you're gonna insert water. Enough for penne. You're gonna insert water, insert enough water for penne. Get your water onto boil. You're gonna chop your garlic. I always use 3 cloves. That's up to you though. You do whatever you want, baby. It's a big boy.
Oh shit.
You're gonna finally chop your shallot. I'm gonna put this entire bad boy in here. This entire bad boy. We're gonna put this big boy in there. More wine. Time to drop the kids off at soccer practice. God, live, laugh, wine, am I right? Live, laugh, wine. My wine mom. Gotta throw some shit behind my... Wine, motherfucker. Don't talk to me until I've had my wine, my morning wine. Don't talk to me until I've had my morning coffee. Chop your shallot, bitch. Dude, no, that's totally wrong. I'm so stupid. Please don't listen to me. Can you see that I'm crying? Oh, God, my fucking face when I'm listening to Like We Used To by A Rocket to the Moon.
Oh my god. Y'all good? Everything good at home?
No. No.
Why are you crying?
Because Helen and Jake broke up on The Bachelor and I'm really fucking upset about it right now, okay? So fucking don't talk to me, bitch.
Oh my god, like are you okay? Or...
No, I'm not okay! I'm not okay! I'm not okay! Alright, so whenever you drain your pasta, you're gonna drain your pasta after you finish cooking your pasta. I prefer my shit a little al dente. That means a little hard.
No.
You're still gonna have a pretty good amount of time until you finish your shit. So you're gonna throw that on the oven, take off your oven mitts. Just a little bit of olive oil to make sure it doesn't stick together. Ow! Don't watch me hit this hard ass whip, dog. That's cringy. I'm totally not gonna fucking put that in. All right, so now it's time to cut your mushrooms, bitch.
Oh god.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Jesus fucking.
Alright, so you got your vegetables done. Your penne is done. So what's next? It's time to make the sauce, bitch. It's time to make the sauce. We're gonna make the sauce in this pan right here. Spatula ready and everything. Sober me prepared this. Because I'm a drunk bitch right now. Let's drink some more. Let's finish this glass of wine. Oh, it's time to drop the kids off at soccer practice. No, it tastes great. Alright, so you want to set your pan medium high. You're gonna get everything you're gonna need to put in the sauce over by your pan because you're gonna have to do this shit kind of quickly whenever it comes time. So you're gonna get your pasta sauce. Wait, you're gonna get your vodka, your pasta sauce, or yeah, marinara pasta sauce, and your vodka and your soy milk. You're gonna bring all of that over by your pan. You're gonna get your pan nice and fucking hot. Now you're gonna wait until the pan's hot first because olive oil smokes easily, and you don't want that shit to smoke because it tastes like fucking ass. So you gotta wait. You're gonna wait for your pan to get fucking hot, hot as shit, dog. Hotter than fucking 303's hit single, Don't Trust Me. Alright? Don't trust a hoe, never trust a hoe. Alright, so you're gonna add your olive oil first, right? Now you're gonna have spread it all across your pan. Then you're gonna add mushrooms first. Now I like a shit ton of mushrooms in my food because it's like the closest thing you can get to meat. Mushrooms are probably the meatiest vegetable. You're gonna saute these bitches a little bit. Now the key thing with this recipe is you have to do everything really fucking quickly. So, whenever, obviously after the mushrooms, you have to do everything really fucking quickly because you have to let these, once you start to get to like about a light, like once they start to brown, that's when you're gonna want to throw in your garlic and your shallot. The way I do it is I push everything to the corner, or like half of the pan is mushroom, the other half is the shallot and the garlic cooking. So, show you that in just a second. And done. So now you're going to want to add your shallot next. This is going to cook just a little bit longer than your garlic. So shallot first. Now, just going to toss it around a little bit. Make sure it cooks evenly. And then you're going to add your garlic. After that, cooks for about 30 to 45 seconds or a minute, however you want, whatever, who gives a shit. So add your garlic next. Make sure they stay separated in the beginning so you can cook them all individually. I know, as I fucking accidentally mixed everything together because I'm drunk as shit. Alright, so once everything's all cooked together, you're going to want to go ahead and mix together all of your vegetables. So now, you're going to want to go ahead and add your vodka. You can flambe it. I don't trust myself with that right now because I'm drunk. So you're just going to add it all in. It's going to sizzle. Motherfucker! Yeah! So you're going to want to let your vodka cook out for, oh my god. You're going to want to let your vodka cook out a little bit. Make sure it gets mixed in with your vegetables and shit. Then immediately afterwards, let it cook for about 30 seconds or so. Then you're going to want to go in with your pasta sauce. I use an entire jar of this shit. Mix it together. And then after you mix it together a little bit, that's when you're gonna wanna come in with your soy milk. Now, I'm sure you could probably use coconut milk or something like that for this recipe. I like soy milk because it's most flavor neutral and it's not too sweet. I forgot to open this. Now, you are also going to want to let your pasta sauce boil down a little bit because it is gonna be a little liquidy after you add your soy milk. God fucking damn it!
You want me to go open the door or something?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Alright, we're good. Alright, so you're gonna wanna go ahead. Sorry, the fire alarm came on for some reason. You're gonna wanna come in with your soy milk. I add just enough to turn it into about a light, I don't know, orangish color, I guess. I don't know. Now, like I was saying, you're going to want to let this boil down for a second because it's a little too liquidy with the soy. Oh my god. Oh shit, motherfucker. Oh no. Alright, so after you add your soy milk in, that's when you're gonna wanna go in with your spices. Now the pasta sauce that I bought was already pre-seasoned. I like to add a little bit extra because the soy milk is kind of a little sweet, so I always go in with a little extra pepper, a little extra salt, which you already saw me add. Jesus Christ. Just a little bit of dried basil, and then you're gonna want to go in with your oregano as well. Now again, depending on the pasta sauce that you either purchase or make, it may already have these spices in it. Mine is just not seasoned enough in my opinion, so I always like to add a little bit extra. So, just let it boil down for a second, taste it, make sure it's good. Flavor that is pretty good. Just now, like I said, just boil it down, let it thicken a little bit, and then go ahead, kick it back to low, and then you're going to want to go ahead and add in your pasta. Alright, so after you mix in the rest of your penne, just go ahead, keep it on low to keep it warm. You're going to want to go ahead and sprinkle on your parsley, which I have over here and have not chopped yet. So let me chop this real quick. So then you're just going to want to garnish it with a little bit of parsley. Sprinkle that shit on. And you're done. And you're ready to serve. So now I recommend pairing this with your favorite red wine. Tastes great. Also, if you have a vegan Parmesan, obviously put that on top as well. Tastes fucking great. This is one of my favorite dishes to make. I love it so very, 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 very much. And yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, Whackers. Make sure if you enjoyed my little stupid fucking drunk cooking videos, you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, turn on that notification bell, whatever. I'm pretty fucking frosty right now, so anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, y'all.